Narwal Flow, Honest Review, the mopping robot that finally doesn't lie to your floors. I remember shuffling into the kitchen at midnight for water, barefoot, and feeling that familiar gritty crunch under my toes. The same crumbs, the same paw prints, the same quiet rage. I wasn't built to be a full-time janitor, yet there I was. Honestly, tell me in the comments, what's the one spot in your house that drives you absolutely insane right now? I'm talking about that dull film on the hardwood, the sticky patches that grab socks, the pet hair tumbleweeds mocking you from corners. It's exhausting. My free time just evaporated while the mess kept multiplying. Then I pictured stepping onto cool, slick, genuinely clean floors every single morning without once bending over or breathing in mop fumes. And that's when I realized that reality actually exists. That's when I met the Narwal Flow, the robot that finally ended the great mopping betrayal. Its FlowWash track mop continuously washes itself with 113 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and 1.22 kilograms of scraping pressure while it works, so it never smears yesterday's spilled wine across today's kitchen. TwinAI dual cameras see over 200 objects in real time, dodging charging cables, pet bowls, even fresh poop with eerie precision. The 22,000 Pascal suction with DualFlow tangle-free brush obliterates embedded hair from carpets without a single wrap, while CarpetFocus instantly seals airflow and doubles pickup power the moment it detects rug fibers. EdgeReach mop swings out to 5 millimeters of walls, reversing side brushes sweep corners clean, and the slim 3.7-inch body slides under couches like it belongs there. Jessica, a graphic designer with 2 toddlers and a golden retriever, spilled an entire iced coffee 10 minutes before a client Zoom. She hit start on the Narwal Flow, closed the office door, and came back to floors so perfect the client asked if she just had them professionally cleaned. Vacuum Wars declared, Narwal Flow is the first robot I've tested where the mop actually gets cleaner as the job goes on. Floors look hand-scrubbed, not robot-swiped. The 800K sub-YouTube tech creator admitted on camera, I canceled my cleaning lady. This thing replaced her on hard floors completely. Independent lab data revealed 97% less bacterial growth on narwhal pads after 7 days of daily use versus every spinning mop competitor. A verified Amazon mom with 3 dogs wrote, my white tiles used to look foggy after every robot run. Now they're honestly mirror shiny, and the base still smells like nothing after 10 weeks. I've stood there watching it finish a 2,800 square foot house covered in muddy paw prints and kid snacks, and the clean water tank was still nearly clear. Thousands of owners say the same thing. They finally stopped noticing their floors because the floors stopped being a problem. Worried it's complicated? Mapping takes one 5-minute run, and the app is genuinely intuitive. Ready to see why people who switch literally message me months later saying they'll never own another brand? Drop which messy room nightmare you want gone forever in the comments. I joined the designers, doctors, pet parents, and exhausted humans already living with stupidly clean floors thanks to the Narwal Flow. We're getting that "did a professional crew just leave?" shine every day. 0 sour mop smell and actual hours of our lives back. If you're done negotiating with half-clean floors and ready to feel genuine pride every time you walk through your own front door, click the link in the description and go look. No pressure, no countdown timers, just the best cleaning robot I've ever run. Go see it for yourself.